Kinsterna Hotel. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Kinsterna Hotel, featured among the 65 best new hotels in Conde Nast Travelers Hot List 2011. Kinsterna Hotel offers boutique accommodations with privileged views of the castle of Monemvasia and the endless blue of the Aegean. Set within a restored Byzantine mansion, the suites and rooms have been authentically furnished and designed to reflect the building's history. Fantastic. In few words, I have spent a weekend in paradise. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. The hotel is absolutely stunning, with a gorgeous pool and wonderful breakfast. The property costs stunning. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.